My video guide is about removing the online scary alerts and fake browser notifications that are coming from the site Restoreswiftgreatlythefile.vip. Restoreswiftgreatlythefile.vip is a fake Chrome browser update alert. The alert may tell that you need to update your Chrome browser by installing the extension. But in reality, this is a misleading and tricky and dangerous pop-up that tries to basically infect your browser. The extension that is promoted through these fake browser update alerts may change a lot of crucial browser settings. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. So if you mistakenly add this extension to your Google Chrome browser, a lot of crucial browser settings may be changed without your permission. And you may notice that something strange has happened, and whenever you try to open the new tab, you see something different instead of the blank tab. And when you submit some search queries, you get the results by some other search engine, which you have never probably thought to use. This is all happening because of these fake Chrome browser update alerts. If you have mistakenly installed them, you need to fix your browser. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. If you find any suspicious extensions, disable and get rid of them. I also recommend that you additionally investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download Combo Cleaner. After Combo Cleaner is downloaded and installed, start the application and then begin researching your device with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin checking for updates. It will then update its antivirus database. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and investigating your computer. Then it will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. So the good thing about this summary that it will give you the locations of all these threats. So you may go to this location on your computer and remove each threat manually, or we recommend updating to the premium version of the program to get rid of these threats automatically and keep your system protected with Combo Cleaner Premium.